In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Orenda product line for your pool and spa care. They have phosphate removers, enzymes, scale and metal control, and clarifiers. One thing to note about the Orenda products is that they're NSF approved. This means that they've been independently certified for commercial pool use. Let me touch on their phosphate remover first. This is their PR 10,000. This is a concentrated phosphate remover for your pool. And this is half a pint or 8 ounces. And this should be sufficient for most homeowners. You want to make sure you test your water to get an accurate phosphate reading. Let's say your phosphate reading is 780, like at this pool here. You can use the Orenda app to calculate how much of the PR 10,000 to add to your pool. You want to install the Orenda app onto your device. Inside the app is a calculator here, and then I'm going to put the pool size as 10,000 gallons. So I entered the phosphate level here at 800 parts per billion. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, see where it says PR 10,000. It says I need 4 ounces of the PR 10,000 to treat phosphate levels of 800 parts per billion and 10,000 gallons of water. So you can see you don't need a lot of the product to treat the phosphates in your pool, since it is highly concentrated. And so you won't have to waste a lot of money buying a large bottle of phosphate remover. The PR 10,000 in 8 ounce size would be sufficient again for most pools. And Orenda makes an enzyme. It's called the CV600. Enzymes are great for breaking down oils and non-living organics in the pool. This will also enhance the chlorine in your pool and make it work more effectively. And one of the nice things about the CV600 is that it's a very fast-acting enzyme. It'll break down the oils very rapidly in your pool. A side benefit, if you have a sand filter, it also cleans your sand each week as you're using the enzyme product in your pool. You can also use the Orenda app for the enzyme for the dosage. I have a 10,000 gallon pool here still. And so for the weekly maintenance dose in a 10,000 gallon pool, you would just need to add 5 ounces of the enzyme each week. So this quart of CV600 will last you about 6 weeks in a 10,000 gallon pool. And if you're just starting to use the enzyme, you may want to purge your pool by using the whole 32 ounces or the whole quart of the CV600 to get started, and then get another quart for the weekly maintenance dose. And Orenda makes a scale and metal control product called the SC1000. This will prevent calcium buildup on the surface of your pool. It'll also help prevent metal staining in your pool. So this is a great combination of a scale preventer and a metal sequestering agent for your pool. So this product is great for startups to help control the scale and metal in a new pool. So just be aware, if you use a large amount of this product in your pool, it will lower the chlorine level. So take the simple precaution when you use the SC1000 to raise your chlorine level in the pool to prevent it from zeroing out. And you can use the Orenda app for the SC1000. You can see here in the same 10,000 gallon pool, you would add 6 ounces bi-weekly. And if you're doing a startup, you want to add 32 ounces for every 10,000 gallons of water. And Orenda also makes a clarifier. This is a CE-Clarifier. One reason why Orenda makes such a small bottle of the clarifier, this is a 4 ounce bottle, is that for a 10,000 gallon pool, you just need 1 ounce every week. So this small bottle of clarifier will last you 1 month. And again, if you have a larger pool, you can buy a larger bottle of the clarifier. You can definitely buy the quart of the clarifier. But for most cases, with the smaller pools, this is all you're going to need for 1 month. And the cap on top makes it very easy to add the clarifier to your pool. Just open up the cap and you can squirt it into your pool. That's a look at some of the products made by Orenda for your pool care. And I really like the smaller bottle sizes for the consumer. That way you're not overspending and buying more product than you actually need. And I also like the free Orenda app that allows you to calculate the dosage for your pool. This makes using the product very easy and simple. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.